Hi, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 3 of my Lego Ferrari Daytona SP3 build. So last time got to this point on the gearbox, so that's very neat. Let's continue with this. We have this gray beam. We're going to start putting some pins in here. Okay, and then that needs to go over here. How does that go over there? Oopsie. Put that pin in the wrong spot. And that goes, here's the red. And those two pins are beside each other. Okay. I have this connector piece, and that apparently goes over top of those two pins, and then the tan axle pin goes right there. So we have yet another axle sticking out the side there. Now one of these red beams, pin and two long blue pins, but don't put them all the way through. And then that, so we're on the orange side here. That is supposed to sit right underneath all of that. So I'm gonna put that here and then slide these pins in. Okay. Now we have this panel, and put the 4 long blue pins in, and then 2 of these 2x1 beams, and all of that connects there. Does it match up, or is it, oh, it's trying to show me how that's supposed to go. It's supposed to slide over 1. Okay. Like that. Now what? Now we have another corner beam. This time it's gonna be like that with a long axle pin. Take this and a red axle, and we're sticking that through this side. And then one of these, I don't know, star pieces, and that goes on there. Now we have a red axle connector with a black axle. That goes beside like that. And another one of these yellow star pieces, and kind of meshes in because it's kind of a little bit of a gear. And then we have another one with the black axle, and that is going in here, but with a collar on like that. One is sticking up and one is sticking to the side. Okay. Now I have to take the long beam. Need pins in this end, and then one over here. Okay, now these half beams. Here I got the ball joints, and these tan axle pins. I need 2 of these. There's the 2 ball joints, that's all of them. those. Okay, those are hooking into this somehow. What does it mean? It's going like that? Oh, okay, okay, that goes in there. That goes in there. Okay, like that. Oh, this is where this rubber band comes in, I guess. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what's supposed to happen here. Oh. I'm supposed to put that on first. Which way is it going? It's going... How is this hooking up here? I have this is sitting in front here. Is anything going into anything? Okay, let's just... Oh, the red pin pushes through. Okay. Push this red pin through there. Okay, now it's connected. Okay. And then you put the rubber band on top. And I need to put the axle connector on this one. I need another long red axle pin to go in here. And I need a collar to go on this gear. And then this whole thing is going to slide on and connect to those. It's important this is actually turned that way. Well, I think it's important it's turned that way. So that'll turn that way. That doesn't care. Now we're just going to slide those axles on. Do I have pins to connect? The orange pin. Just the orange pin. There, the orange pin is on. Axle connectors are connected the right way. Okay. Looks like we're connected. And then I have to push this red pin through. And that should be good. Okay, that is changing the gears. Okay. It's just gonna snap, snappity snap. Okay. That is interesting. Now we have got a couple of these, and I gotta put these on where? They go down here. So one is going this way. Is it tight? It's tight to there. So that goes there. And then one goes on the other side. Like that. And now we have long axle, an axle connector, a short yellow axle connector. And now where does this go? There's a gray, hole in the gray one there. I don't know if, okay, I see. There is an axle connector there. Okay. Hook it in there. now I need a red axle. And a collar. And that goes in the other one. Okay, I get the collar on there, right? And there's this axle connector with the axle pin. And that goes on the red axle here. Okay. Oh, that's not a moving axle. Okay. Now we have another collar. Oh, and we have the last one of these yellow star pieces. And it goes on where? It goes on the... Okay, this can't be... It's not meshing with that. Goes on the black axle here. Is that supposed to slide in and out? That would make sense. But there's a collar there. I need to put another collar on this side. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, now this is going to be interesting. Here we go. It is facing the right way, and then this green piece needs a axle pin in it. Or no, yeah, axle pin, but you put the pin through the pin part, and then a collar on the axle part. I have to put it on so that it is facing this way. So I got it like that. So that looks right, I think. And should be good. I like how they kind of can show you that some of the depth there on what it's doing. And then these are, it looks like these are the right way. No, that's not the right way. That should be that way. Okay. And then that makes it, because that makes that the wrong direction. I'm not sure how important it is, but I'll try to get it as accurate as I can on that picture. So now this one should actually be this way, I think. Or no. Should be this way. It was right to start with. Okay. I think. Like that. There we go. That's how it should be. Try not to move it. And get the next piece in here. We have this and a... Not this one. Where is the other one? There is only one of them. It's over here. That piece. I need to get all of these connected. This is going here, and then sliding over top of the, no, it's in front. It's just in front of it. But it's, oh, it is going over top of the gears. or the axles, and then sliding in there. Oh, okay, I see. That's preventing it from turning very far with the gears. Okay. I'm concerned about having to take this part apart, but we'll see. 'Cause that's now kind of stuck in that area. Is that just... Did I face that the right way, or did I not? I put it the wrong way. Okay, so that is the wrong way. Okay, let's get that off. Turn this one around. There we go. That makes more sense now. There we go. Now, yeah, it turns that other gear lever. That makes more sense. That's better. There we go. Good, good. And which way was that supposed to go? When I push that one in there, it's not showing that. Up and down, it is up and down, okay. It is a gearbox, so they're not the most simple things. Okay. And put that there, put that there. And we put this one goes on this side. And then we have one on the other side. Okay. That should be good. I'm flipping it around. Put pins there and there. Now I have to flip back this way. Take these two things. Put a long blue pin in the middle. I guess we're just pushing it through. Take two of those. And then they need to hook up to those stacks. Okay, got it the right way. And now we have two more angle beams, corner beams. Put those on there. And some pins. And then one of these frames, we have lots of these. Using one. Put it that way. And then we also need one on the second. Let's make sure this is right. Where's a blue pin? I was supposed to stick a long blue pin in there on that part. Then hook it up. Okay, that's better. And then the same thing with the other side. Okay. And some black pins facing up on these ones. This long gray beam. And we got a long blue pin going there. Looks like it's all matching. Okay, and there we go. And then that is supposed to hook into these ones, or yeah, like so. And then some black pins on the front. And finally we have this pin with the orange axle connector, and we're gonna put that where? Blue. Oh, I put those in the wrong spot. Oh no. Can I get that all apart or not? They're connected there. That's that side. I gotta slide them up one. There we go. Oh, take that off first. Okay, that would be helpful. Let's put that back. It's supposed to be like that. Just noticing that was not great. Okay. Now let's just put those back together. And there we go. Now we have pieces in the right spot. And we can hook that back together. And can put this on here. Okay, and now that is supposed to slide through here, and that red piece I guess slides into there. It's supposed to match up there. Okay, those pins go there. Okay, there we go. Like that, and then the orange pin gets pushed in through that gray beam, the gray corner beam. There we go. And that is what we have so far. Okay, well that has been part 3 of my Lego Technic Ferrari Daytona SP3 build. So, still working on the gearbox. This is quite the build with this gearbox. So this is very, very cool so far. Got the mechanism, I believe, for actually changing those gears put on here. So we'll see how that turns out in the upcoming build. So if you'd like to see that, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.